Hello, my name is Diego Alexander Espinosa, and I'm going to tell you an experience of a trip. With my family, had a wonderful time in New York City. Every day, we get up early and do exercise in the gym. When we left the gym, we have a big breakfast in the Colombian restaurant, which usually consists of eggs, bread, and orange juice. After all, we went to Times Square with my family and some friends to take many pictures to show to my family in Colombia. I'm so in love with this city. All the buildings, the light, the shopping center, the big central park. There are our holidays in the United States. Time I spend with all my family and friends. Advice. I'm going to tell you some advice. First advice, the weather in New York is different every day. Some months are really sunny, and other months are cold. Second advice, you should walk with your family and the Central Park. Third advice, you should visit in a ferry the Statue of Liberty. Now, I'm going to tell you some recommendations. First recommendation, you shouldn't park your car everywhere. Second, you shouldn't listen in loud music at the street. Third, you shouldn't talk bad with the officers. Thank you, goodbye, bye bye.